Thanksgiving. Welcome back to another Cocktail Craft virtual cocktail class by Cork Keg. Today we are doing our Hot Buttered Rum drink. This one is perfect for this time of year as it gets colder because not only is it delicious and homemade, but it will also warm your bellies. We invite you to make this cocktail with friends and family. That's why we have included 2 cocktails in each of our kits, including 2 of our Irish coffee mugs. You will have 1 thing of homemade hot butter rum mix made by our owner, Maria. You will be sharing this batter. We also have included 2 cinnamon sticks, 1 for each kit. The nutmeg, which will also be split between both of the cocktails. Hot buttered rum syrup. And then 2 of the spiced rum cups. Other items that you will need to make these cocktails are a measuring cup or spoon, a regular spoon to stir your drink, and then just a way to heat your water. We are going to be adding a little bit more than 1/3 cup of water, so you will need that as well. All right, without further ado, Bree is gonna come on and show you how to make this delicious cocktail, so let's get cocktailing.
Hi everyone, super excited about this one. Definitely so delicious for this time of year. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're gonna start with our water. It's a little bit more than 1/3 cup, and we're gonna go ahead and microwave this for about 1 minute just so that it's nice and warm. I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. We usually add just a little bit more because it will evaporate a little bit in the microwave. So right back. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and pour this just directly into our mug. And then you'll use your batter, and we're gonna do about 1/4 cup, which is equal to 4 tablespoons. I have a 2 tablespoon spoon here, so I'm just gonna fill it up twice and put that right into our hot water. And then we are going to add our hot buttered rum syrup. Now we only need 1/2 ounce, so about half of this vial. And then add your spiced rum right on top of that. We'll do 1 last stir here. Take your nutmeg and you're just going to sprinkle that just right on top here. And then your cinnamon stick, you can either place just on top like this, or you can dunk it in.
All right, thank you guys so much for joining us for our Hot Buttered Rum cocktail class today. I wanted to also mention that we will be doing an ornamentini virtual cocktail class for our December holiday cocktail. So be on the lookout for that. Something really exciting and new that we are doing with this one is we will be shipping out of state. So make sure to tell your friends and family that live out of state. If they want to join, they will be able to for the ornamentini. So be on the lookout for that one. And thank you guys so much again for joining us. We hope that you have a wonderful Thanksgiving, and cheers. Cheers.